Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through WhatsApp text new style based mobile apps. So for that, at first, just go to your Play Store app. Now in the top search bar, search for stylish fonts keyboard. Now just go to this app and install it. I've already installed it. Now I'm gonna open it. Now in this app, here you can see a stylish keyboard. Click on it here, this option. Now after clicking it, here you can see the first option, add keyboard. Just click on it and you need to just give the permission from here. Now just go back and go to your WhatsApp. Now just click on your message and in the top just scroll like here and change the keyboard. Here you can see the keyboard here is stylish fonts. Click on it and click on OK. Now you can just change your fonts. Here you can see there are a lot of fonts here. Just click on a font and use it. Any font you want. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.